The second job of a silent E at the end of a word is to make C or G soft. Now, that's just a teacher term for a different sound for C and G. C and G have two main sounds. One is K for C, and the other one is S. And so they say that S sound is more soft. For G, it's G and J. And they say the J sound is more soft. The way I like to remember it is I think of a train. So a C, if he's coming before any of the vowels like A, O, U, or any of the consonants for that matter, he's going to make the sound K. So he's just going to keep trekking along K, 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 K. But once the C comes in front of a flag, and the letters on that flag are E, I, or Y, and the letters after the C are E, I, or Y, he's going to change tracks, and now he's going to make that S sound. And the same can be true for a G. So if a G comes in front of any letter, like A, O, U, or a consonant, he's going to say the hard G sound. If he comes in front of E, I, or Y, he's going to change tracks and make the J sound. Now, the only difference between the G and the C is that the G can still, even after E, I, or Y, sometimes he can say the G sound. I know, it's tricky, but English is made up of 3 different languages melding together, so there's a lot of different patterns that we have. But the more you look into it, you'll start to see the patterns. Good luck.